The 8 flood-affected regions, the centre has approved the disbursement of Rs 675 crore to Gujarat, Manipur and Tripura, drawing from the State Disaster Response Fund (SDRF) and advancing funds from the National Disaster Response Fund. This allocation comes as these states grappled with the severe impact of heavy rainfall, flooding and landslides experienced during the southwest monsoon. The financial support breakdown includes Rs 600 crore for Gujarat, Rs 50 crore for Manipur and Rs 25 crore for Tripura. An official release highlighted the inter-ministerial central teams will soon be dispatched to assess the damage in these states, with additional teams also heading to Bihar and West Bengal, which have recently faced similar flood challenges. The current monsoon season has seen multiple states, including Assam, Mizoram and Andhra Pradesh, suffer extensive damage due to extreme weather. To address the situation comprehensively, the central government has previously allocated Rs 9,044 crore from the SDRF to 21 states and Rs 4,528 crore from the NDRF to 15 states this year alone. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the government remains steadfast in its commitment to provide essential assistance to flood-stricken areas, ensuring that logistical support, including the deployment of National Disaster Response Force teams and military assistance, is readily available to the affected states. Further financial aid for other impacted regions will be determined after the IMCT reports are reviewed.